Hey everybody, this is Cheap Dad. Just want to show you a little quick product review of this vacuum cleaner that I have here. This is a Bissell Power Glide pet vacuum cleaner. It's good for pet hair, really strong suction for pet hair, removes dirt and pet hair as well. It's got the suction channel technology and got several filters on there, really good filtration system. And I just want to show you how it works right quick. It's one that has the it has the dual action where it'll suck with the roller brush and without the roller brush, if you want to just do it without the brush. But it's a very nice, neat vacuum cleaner here. I want to show you how it works right quick. Very strong suction, quick as that, no bags, just empty your dirt out from there. Put it back in and you're ready to go again. That's a Bissell pet hair vacuum cleaner. This is model 1643, I believe 1643, model 1643 Bissell brand, very good brand. Very dependable, very strong suction. If you have any comments you want to leave, experience that you've had with this particular product, you can comment in the comment section. Thanks.